Whoa, scary attic! Hi, this is Michael with Fidelity Home Inspection, and you can spend $20,000 in a scary attic. There are so many things that can be wrong, from insulation to venting problems to roof decking issues. Spending a minute here is really important because this attic is a model. Let's take a look. Okay, quick things to point out. Number one, there's a ton of insulation in here. 16, 14, 16, 18 inches. That's what it should be. R36 is what you're looking for to save your money on heating and cooling costs. Over here, you can see these silver pipes. That's the exhaust vents from all the bathroom fans going right through the attic, just like it should be. Then you look at the pipes. This is the venting that allows your plumbing to drain. Great stuff. Look at the roof decking. No problems here. In fact, there's some thermal insulation there on the decking, but everywhere you look, no problems. That means the roof's not leaking, at least from what we can see. You're looking at your ducting. It all looks great. All the insulation is there. All the connections are really good. Great stuff. Back in the corner where the insulation meets the decking, you see that there's those baffles there. Whoops, almost fell. Those baffles right there in every lane, keeping the insulation from the soffit vent. That's going to allow the attic to cool really well. Then you've got all your vents. Great stuff. The gables are covered with screen, so there's no animals going to get in. All looks really good. This stuff can cost you big money, huge money, and this 1 minute can save you quite a bit of money. So if you ever get to a house, you just pop your head in the attic and take a look at these couple little things, and it could save you a ton of money. All right, Michael Street, Fidelity Home Inspection, going places that no one else goes to save you a ton of money.